A construction worker handed me a quest. He knocked on my door, said he found a cordless phone on the street and figured I would know who it belonged to and that I could return it. I don't know whose it is, but whenever I press talk, it says it's not close enough to the base. I plan to walk around my neighborhood and press talk repeatedly until I can find the base, like a game of hot and cold. Update. Haven't gotten the chance to do it. But the battery life is full last I checked. It's 4 a.m. here now. We'll go out later today. Update. Took a stroll around my neighborhood, crept up on houses close enough to definitely recognize any signal. No luck. I did, however, find a phone haher in it labeled Mom, so I plan to call that. Heading back home for the weekend, so won't get a chance to make further progress until Monday. Update. Called Mom. Belonged to a nice old lady who was taking care of a nice older lady, her mom. Woman lived nearby. Walked over and picked it up. Not a very sexy conclusion.